Iran has started a direct attack on Israel by launching dozens of drones to attack targets there.
Iran launched more than 300 cruise missiles, ballistic missiles and drones toward Israel, raising concerns about broader conflict in the Middle East 6 months after Hamas attacked Israel.
Recent escalations between Iran and Israel have brought the long-standing tensions to a critical point. Today, we'll explore the possible scenarios that could unfold in the Iran-Israel conflict. The conflict has seen various forms of engagement, from proxy wars to direct confrontations. Iran's support for groups like Hezbollah and Hamas has been met with Israeli countermeasures, including airstrikes and cyber operations. Prime Minister Netanyahu has dismissed calls for restraint and vowed that Israel will defend itself. Meanwhile, Iran warns of severe retaliation to any new Israeli attacks, with Tehran having already launched a direct military assault. Diplomatic resolution. International pressure could lead to negotiations, aiming for a de-escalation of hostilities and a potential peace agreement. Continued proxy warfare. The conflict may persist in its current state, with both nations engaging through allied groups and indirect means. Full-scale war. A worst-case scenario would be a full-scale war, which could have devastating consequences for the region and potentially draw in global powers. Can Israel destroy Iran like Gaza? I think Israel couldn't defeat Iran as easily as it did Gaza because Iran has a stronger military, more money, and support from countries like China and Russia. If a war breaks out, it could escalate into a third world war. The Iran-Israel conflict is at a delicate juncture. The international community's response and the actions of both nations in the coming days will be crucial in determining the path ahead.